Are you tired of feeling like your paycheck disappears before you've even had a chance to enjoy it? You're not alone. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 simple strategies to save money that actually work. Strategies that you can start using today to take control of your finances. Whether you're saving for a big goal, trying to pay off debt, or just looking to have a little extra cash at the end of the month, these tips will make a huge difference. Before we dive in, let's talk about why saving money is so important. Saving money gives you freedom. It allows you to handle emergencies, reach your financial goals, and reduce stress about the future. Think of saving money as paying yourself first. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's get into the strategies. These are simple but effective, and if you stick to them, you'll see results quickly. Strategy 1. Track your spending first. You can't save money if you don't know where your money is going. Start tracking your expenses for at least 1 month. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Once you see where your money is going, it'll be easier to spot areas where you can cut back. Strategy 2. Create a realistic budget. Next, create a budget that works for you. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. Stick to it, and you'll feel more in control of your money. Strategy 3. Automate your savings. Make saving money effortless by automating it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, it adds up over time. Strategy 4. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Do you really use all those subscriptions? Go through your accounts and cancel anything you're not using, like that streaming service you haven't watched in months or that gym membership you forgot about. Strategy 5. Cook at home more often. Eating out can drain your wallet faster than you realize. Cooking at home not only saves you money but is often healthier. 2. Try meal planning to make it easier to stick with. Strategy 6. Use cashback apps and coupons. Take advantage of cashback apps like Rakuten or Ibotta, and don't forget to use digital coupons when shopping online or in stores. These small savings add up quickly. Strategy 7. Stop impulse buying. Ever heard of the 24-hour rule? If you're tempted to make an impulse purchase, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, you'll realize you didn't really need it after all. Strategy 8. Negotiate your bills. Call your internet provider, phone company, or insurance company and ask if they have better rates available. Many times, they'll lower your bill just to keep you as a customer. Strategy 9. Set clear savings goals. Set specific goals for what you're saving for, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a new car. When you know what you're working toward, it's easier to stay motivated. Strategy 10. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, but resist the urge. Instead, save or invest the extra money to secure your financial future. Saving money doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with just 1 or 2 of these strategies, and as you build momentum, add more to your routine. Before you know it, you'll be making progress toward your financial goals. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more money saving tips and personal finance advice. Check out my other videos right here for more ways to improve your financial life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.